Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: adjust faucet water pressure. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Adjusting the water pressure of your faucet is essential for a comfortable and efficient flow of water. Whether the pressure is too low and frustrating or too high and wasteful, knowing how to adjust it can make a significant difference. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to adjust your faucet water pressure effectively. Steps to adjust faucet water pressure. Identify the issue. Before adjusting the water pressure, identify whether the pressure is too high or too low. Some common signs of high water pressure include noisy pipes, leaks, and splashing water. Low water pressure is often noticed by slow water flow. Locate the pressure regulator valve. In many homes, the pressure regulator valve is located where the main water line enters the house. This valve controls the overall water pressure for your entire plumbing system. Adjust the pressure regulator valve for high pressure. If the pressure is too high, locate the pressure regulator valve and adjust it counterclockwise to decrease the pressure. Make small adjustments and test the water flow at different faucets to find the right pressure. For low pressure, if the pressure is too low, you can adjust the pressure regulator valve clockwise to increase the pressure. Again, make small adjustments and test the water flow until you achieve the desired pressure. Check aerators and filters. Sometimes low water pressure can be caused by clogged aerators or filters on your faucets. Remove the aerator and clean out any debris. This simple step can improve water flow significantly. Consider external factors. Check for any leaks in your plumbing system, as they can affect water pressure. Additionally, make sure that all shut-off valves are fully open to allow proper water flow. Monitor and regularly adjust. Keep an eye on your water pressure and adjust it as needed. Factors such as changes in the municipal water supply can affect your home's water pressure. Adjusting faucet water pressure is a simple yet crucial task for maintaining a comfortable and efficient water flow in your home. By following these steps and staying proactive, you can ensure that your water pressure is always at the optimal level. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on adjust faucet water pressure. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.